This is how we started, and this is how we go in.
On today's episode, we have Jeera rice, stuffed onions.
And behind every great dish is Lotus.
Get into it.
All right, so writer sauce that's going to go in our rice. First thing you need is some yogurt.
All right.
Plain yogurt.
Plain
We
yogurt.
don't want sweet, flavored.
Yeah, no. Because we control any flavor.
Yeah,
so.
exactly. You know,
All right.
imagine somebody use blueberry yogurt or something in this.
No, that'd be crazy. In the meantime, I'm going to chop some mint.
Nice. And while you do that, you're going to whisk this yogurt until smooth. All right. So if you can come a little bit closer there, Chrissy. This is what you're looking for with the smooth consistency. See that? No lumps, no nothing.
And if you want, you could come here too and see my finely chopped mint. Yeah. Love that.
No, I'll take your very nicely finely
Hey,
chopped mint
someone
one
add.
time.
Come on. Ratata.
And to that, we are going to add just about a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. I'm making a mess.
I mean, hey, that's all right. That's all part
That's
of it.
right. You know, we'll clean as we go. Like, all right. I'll
What
take
else?
the Chadon Beni in there.
How much you taking?
Yeah, a tablespoon's worth. So 2 of those.
Perfect.
And
Flavor.
I have some cumin seeds that I'm
Lovely.
going to crush, and you no longer want to use a mortar
Come
and pestle.
on.
You know? And if you want like an extra earthiness, that extra nuttiness, you could toast it as well. A little trick as well, you could use Jeera powder if you don't have the cumin seeds. I mean, it's best to use the cumin seeds. But
Of
if you have the
course.
Jeera, the toasted Jeera powder,
And
that'll
in
work as well.
comparison, in like quantities, you would
Quantities?
use less of the rice.
Definitely, definitely.
And what else could I add to this while you do that?
There's some lime juice there.
We add it all?
No, we don't. We're not gonna add all. We're gonna
So
add about 1 tablespoon. I'm getting the aroma out of this thing already.
All right.
While
How
you're
much
there, you
salt?
could add the grated cucumbers. So what we did
Alright.
with that is that we grated it and squeezed out the excess
So you see
moisture.
how, yeah, so it's dry.
Nice and dry. And you leave the skin on.
Yeah. Fiber and color.
I'm making plenty noise with this mortar and pestle, but
So I'll go ahead and give this a little mix for now.
yeah, you can start it off and I'll add what I have here
No
to it.
problem.
Of course, salt and pepper to taste, but I will go in almost last. You smelling this?
Oh,
cumin right
everything,
now?
yeah. I am. I can't wait to add it to see, you know. I can't wait to taste this with all the flavors.
I'm just enjoying it to use like one of those
Of course, old
old
time.
school, like, you know, your grandparents, great grandparents didn't have blender and these
Come
things.
on, this is what they were using.
Right? All right, so it said lightly crush. I crush it a little more than lightly. So I will get that in there.
Perfect.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
everything.
make-
All the
add
hard
it
work.
in.
So I working hard for a change this time. So there's an optional sugar. You just want a touch of sweetness just to balance the other flavors as well.
Especially yogurt is acidic.
Yeah,
the lime
that's
juice
right.
is acidic.
So there's like one
another one. Yeah, I feel so. Yeah.
teaspoon. Yeah, we're on the same page there.
Yeah.
Usually, you know.
Yeah, usually.
Salt, I want a generous enough pinch
Mm-hmm.
of salt. If I were to measure it in proper measure, I'd say that's probably about half a teaspoon. Black pepper. I don't want to color this too much, but I want a little flavor, so just a pinch of black pepper.
And we are good to go.
And we out and bad, you know.
Come on. So I'm gonna finish mix this. We're gonna let it chill, and then at the end we're gonna put it together with our rice.
Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna do some Jeera rice stuffed onions. So we're gonna prepare the onions that have to
Right.
be stuffed. So you're
Some
not peeling
big
them.
onions.
Big onions because we're gonna stuff with plenty rice.
Right.
It's a whole meal we're trying to make it.
I'm here for it.
So the first things first, you're not peeling your onion before the next step. What you're doing is cutting off the root, cutting off the top. So we start with that. And if you see over here, we have some water that we put on the fire already.
Boiling water.
And yep, and you're gonna leave your onions whole. Right? That's what you're doing. The root and the top.
Let me know when you're ready.
Me almost there.
Hey!
All right, good to go. Leave the skin on, and I am ready, Tiff.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm a little bit. Okay, we good. Just don't splash
Nah, you're good.
people. Not splashing, Tiff. All right.
Yes.
It needs to be submerged, and you leave that, and it's going to
Alright.
boil for 5 to 6 minutes or until it softens. Not mushy, just soft.
We'll be back.
All right, Tiff, so we're going in, starting this rice. First things first, ghee goes in.
Lovely.
And now we're going to start to build the flavors one time.
All right, I want to
So once this
turn up
melts,
a little bit.
yeah,
Anyway, we're looking for medium heat anyway. So
that's right.
we good here? Oh, smell
And
that.
I don't know, like ghee, you see ghee like
Yeah,
that. You can't go wrong, you know, that
clarified butter.
has a kind of nutty kind of scent to it.
All right. And I'm
Right.
going in with all
Going
of
with
these.
your cumin.
All of them, yes?
Yes. Because name of it is Jeera rice. And you know,
Ooh,
when you look at
scissor.
the... Yeah, so that's going well, one time. When you look at the recipe online,
Perfectly hot.
you will see it spelled Jeera. That's because that is the original authentic Indian recipe and that's how they spell it. That's not us spelling it like that, okay? So don't come for us in the comments. So yeah, what we're looking for here is for this to start turning a deeper brown color because we are just toasting these seeds.
Oh, it's
But just before it gets to that point, we're gonna add the other aromatics, the garlic, the ginger.
oh, it smells good already. Anyway, well, you will tell me at what point. You ready? Or a
Almost.
little bit.
A little bit more. All right, let's go with the garlic.
All right, and about how much we added?
Yeah, let's do a tablespoon. So yeah, we'll double that. Perfect. Ginger.
Same amount or a little less?
We'll go with all that in there.
Ooh, flavor in the pot.
Flavor town is where we go in.
Come on.
And let's give it a little stir. It's moving a little faster now.
Turn on the heat because you know garlic to caramelize. Oh, woo.
Yeah, let's go with the pimento sauce.
Beautiful.
2 generous tablespoons of that.
Oh, I know you.
Yeah, you know me and this. Can't wait. Give it a quick thing there. Right, while you're doing that, I'm gonna open this rice up.
Hey.
I'm going in with 1 cup of Lotus
A little sizzle
Parboiled.
action.
Right, making a mess here. Jeez.
Today, yeah, it's a messy day.
Right. There we go. Oh, that smells amazing, Tiff.
No, look at it. Come
So
on, look
yeah.
at the pots, look at the colors, look at everything.
Look at that. And you see that deep brown you got on the cumin seeds there? That's what you're
Perfect.
looking for. That's when you
Alright.
know all the flavors develop. 1 cup of rice. Now, some people like to wash their rice beforehand and stuff like that. If you so choose and that's your way of doing it, definitely do it that way. But with the Lotus Parboiled rice, you don't really need to wash. So that's coming in together really nicely. We're gonna hit this a little salt and black pepper.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Black pepper first.
I like black pepper, so I'll try not to go.
Me either. I mean, me either. I do as well.
Try not to go too heavy.
And here's the salt.
And the salt, I really like salt, so I'll try to not go too heavy on it as well. But remember, we're adding water to this, and
Correct.
you know it'll need time and room to just spread that flavor all around. So we'll go with that, and if we need to add more, we'll add more.
Right. And what heat would you like this to be?
I would say we'd go on a medium-low heat. And you want to put just enough water to cover the parboiled rice. And remember, parboiled rice cooks differently from other types of rice, such as brown rice, obviously.
Right.
You know, because again, as the name implies,
No,
it's
this
parboiled.
actually, I can't
so
wait to
it
taste
cooks
this.
a little
This smells
faster.
so good.
So you imagine if you run out of time, you could use parboiled rice, and you know that it'll take you less time than something
For sure.
like brown rice or
So
red
you ready?
rice.
Ready to add this water now?
Yep, let's go. A little bit more. Good.
You like that there?
Yeah, so what we want to do is steam this out. So you want to add just the right amount. I think we could take a little bit more there, Tiff.
Sure.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right. So measure-wise, I'd say we used about 2.5 cups
Of water.
of water. And again, we have a wider pan, so, you know, move to suit when you're at home.
All right. So we're
And with
gonna
that, cover
cover
it up.
and leave her alone for about how long? About 15?
About 15. All right, Tiff.
Oh wow.
And yeah, that's what we're talking about.
This is it ready?
So
Go ahead and give
yeah,
a little fluff.
a little fluffity fluff.
Look at it, correct.
So yeah, so all the moisture has been absorbed into the rice.
All right, and texture-wise.
Texture-wise, right, you want it to be light. However, we didn't wash the rice before because we are stuffing onions with this. So you don't want to wash out that extra starch because the starch acts as a binding agent to hold your rice together in that onion.
Okay.
So when you stuff it, everything will hold together nicely and you're not chasing rice grains falling away now.
Perfect.
Right, so this is great. So now we could fold in the Chadon Beni, fresh Chadon Beni.
Oh,
and
just
I
to
will
finish it.
turn
Take
off
this off.
this fire or
Oh.
induction.
And look, the
And just
heat.
hold that. Now look at the difference, Chrissy. You had to come close again. I'm giving you a little extra work today. Look at the difference in
It
the
just,
visuals.
it just wake up the rice.
Yeah, that's it.
Even the smell, oh, you all know, like, this kitchen smells incredible.
Good to go. So right, what we're gonna do next is...
We're just gonna prep everything and
Yeah,
then we'll be
indeed.
back to stuff the onions.
Oh yeah. All right, Tiff, so we're gonna organize these
time.
onions so that we can
Assembly.
stuff it. So the first thing I wanna do is, of course, take off the skin because as far as I know, the skin is not edible.
No, definitely we don't want onion skin. Nobody likes onion skin.
Nobody likes onion skin. Right. So
Ooh, she's
this-
tender.
yeah,
The
that-
first
this
layer.
one,
You
that
know,
first
usually we
one.
take the first layer off because it's, yeah.
All right, that is the
No, that's the
first-
same, yeah, that's
the
still the
same. All right,
first,
right.
yeah,
We're
same
not trying
layer.
to lose the whole onion here.
Perfect.
So you
Put this
want
in.
the, thank you,
Most welcome.
you want the outermost
Parts of
part. So you have to very gingerly take out the center. So you want to push from one side. You have to be very careful because you don't want to rip the thing. It's giving me a little trouble.
I would say
and-
this looking like you need to probably wear an apron because onion juice.
Right. I mean, I don't mind onion juice, but so what's going to happen is I need to make a little space.
This side or the back. Anyway, don't matter.
All right, we could always use this. Inside, we could throw it inside the rice if we want. If you want to cut it up small, that will not go to waste. But yeah, we're just giving ourselves a little extra room here. You have to very, very carefully.
I feel like the underneath fighting your boy.
Yeah. All
Oh,
right, we getting something.
Come on.
something. Okay.
Bada.
Finally.
One layer down.
There's one
a couple
layer,
months ago.
right? So, yeah.
So ideally, you're looking to work with what, the first two layers?
The first 2, 3 sometimes, because these are big onions.
Right.
All right. And we're trying to stuff them.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, we think. But here what? We're not wasting it. What we could do is just
But
fold
you know
it
what
over
I'm
each other,
studying?
and yeah, we're gonna fold it in the foil. So.
Perfect. So I'm studying. Put it here and then we'll stuff and place on your rack.
All right. So watch a little
Trick.
technique. Yep.
Papa.
So yeah. What you're gonna do? Place it in your hands like this. The
You
little
want this one is good or
spoon
you want the
here.
smaller?
Yeah, this
Right.
one should be fine. And what we're gonna do is put a little bit here,
And roll them up.
right? And as we roll, because
We
we
stuff.
want it, yeah, we want to get this thing in my trouble, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Today it gave me a little trouble. Now we'll bring it in.
When you're ready, I have the foil here for you.
Mm-hmm. To use a little extra steps there, but it'll work out.
So we showing
nicely.
you how to troubleshoot in case the same thing happens.
Yeah, because it could happen to anybody, and I want some more
You can use the small.
in there, yeah. I'm gonna make sure and pack it because those starches is what will help hold the rice together. And you're gonna wrap these individually. So I have good help over here. All right, the bottom is held together by the foil
Right.
and
then we
everything.
could just close them up.
All right, so with my second onion, it cooperated a little bit more, cooperated. And now you see we have the layer intact. So with that, I could
Same
stuff
here
this
too.
one.
Hey,
Tiffany,
onion skin.
doubling up with me here.
Let's go.
All right,
But
Might
honestly,
make a-
this makes it so much easier.
way easier. But you know, sometimes it don't always turn out perfect. I need to find a way around that.
Come on. There's always a way to fix something.
Where there's a will, there's a way. So we're just gonna continue stuffing all of these, wrap them individually, and they're going to go
pop
into
them
a
in-
375-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until it gets the color that you're looking for, which is, you know, golden. All right, these things are out of the oven, so they went into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on your oven itself. And then afterward, you take off the foil and put it under the broiler for about 5-6 minutes max just to get a little
And if
color
they
on
don't have a
top.
broiler,
If you don't have a broiler,
just open in the oven.
just open in the oven.
And monitor.
I'd say crank up the oven to about 400 degrees. It started at 375. When you open it up, crank it to 400 to get that color.
No problem.
All right, so Tiff, we have it here. We have our stuffed onions. It gave me a little trouble, but
Yeah,
we work it out.
we figured it out. And our sauce that we prepared.
So this is called a raita sauce, not writer. Eh?
All right, butter.
Some sauce on top.
A little dollop there, another little one here. Butter.
The jeera in the rice itself, all the aromatics going with that, ginger, garlic, then the raita.
Correct.
You know, the cooling cucumber, the mint, the freshness.
We put Chadon Beni as well, yes?
Yeah.
Come
yeah,
on.
Definitely.
Have to. But question, what other vessel can we use?
Let's see
Instead of
that.
the onions.
Yeah, so okay, so people, if you don't like onions, for instance, you could use bell peppers. You know.
Right.
You could roast the bell peppers before, and I wouldn't boil it. Maybe roast it.
Yeah, that'll bring out the flavor, a nice
Let's see,
flavor.
Zucchini. Zucchini
Yes,
might
that
be,
will be.
another good one.
Yeah,
You could,
I
like,
can see
hollow
that
out.
being sturdy enough to
Yeah.
take all of that.
People are gonna cost me for this
Oh,
one.
let me hear.
Karaili would make a good vessel.
Carry go home.
It could make a good vessel.
Carry go home.
You could hollow out a Karaili, right? And use it.
I will not eat the karali. I'll eat what's inside.
Oh, a jalapeno.
Oh
Yeah.
I like that. The
All right,
little,
I'll
the
take
little
back my
kick.
Karaili comment.
You see,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
see, you redeem yourself there.
All right, Tiff. Here we go.
You
Moment of
ready?
Truth. Yeah.
I'm ready.
You know, like you were already excited about the rice, so let's go in. Everything together now.
Hold on, I feel like struggling here. All right,
Me too.
A little sauce.
Yep.
Hold on, a
A
little
little
thing.
more rice, yeah. All right,
Okay.
enjoy.
Oh wow. The rice is perfectly cooked.
And my thing with the rice, right, is such a good flavor vessel.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it just absorbs all the flavor that you're trying to get in there.
Real.
Excellent. And then
You
that,
get any jeera, you get any ginger, you get in everything, like you're tasting it individually, but together the flavors complement each other so
yeah,
well.
that's right. And then like the mint in the sauce.
The sauce,
going
it's
with
just
the jeera.
so, it's, as I said, it's a very light cooling sauce. So, no, I don't
And
even
then,
know
like,
how to, together, it's really nice.
Don't even need meat for this one. I mean,
No.
I'm a meat mouth, but
Same, like I
this
could
as
enjoy
is,
this, yeah.
Yeah, just like this is fine for me. Very happy with this.
No, I actually love the sauce. And as I get into it, you get the cucumber.
You get, and
No,
I'm taking a
it's
piece
crazy
of onion
how
here,
all
right?
the flavors, well, that's you. It's crazy how all the flavors blend so nicely together from
No,
the
it's
sauce.
Yeah, I try with the onion.
Really?
For real.
Oh gosh. And I know the onion has a sweetness, eh? Hold on,
It
let me
does.
again. All right, y'all.
See? See?
The sweetness of the onion is just a subtle,
Right?
like, so you get the jeera, you get the spice flavor, but not
Yeah,
spicy.
Not spicy.
Then you
spiced.
get the coolness from the sauce.
Yep, the
and
freshness of the mint.
Correct. And then
And
the
then the
sweetness of the onion to finish it
there.
off.
No, so when we hit so many flavor profiles there.
All in one.
And the lotus rice was, again, just so perfect to absorb all the flavors and,
Real.
you know, just hold everything together.
And it's also
that's
so
better.
nice as to see, like, because you know we are custom parboiled rice as a pilau with a this and a that.
Yeah.
It's nice to see it used in this way.
Oh yeah, and then, again, good vessel, good flavors, good
I still going in here.
composition, you know, and
Don't forget, recipe in the description.
yeah.
Hey, man, go with the plate, yes? So like, comment, subscribe. Let us know, will you try this?
And you know what? Send us your pictures. Let us know if you did it.
Yes, let
and
us
how
see.
yours will turn out.
Yes, especially with the onion. Let's
Yeah,
see how
yes.
that goes.
Yeah.
Okay.